Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Grand Cherokee hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side, near the kick panel. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You'll hear a click, and the hood will slightly pop up, indicating it's unlatched. This is the initial step to gain access. Now, move to the front of your Jeep Grand Cherokee. The hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand underneath the center of the hood. You'll need to feel around for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism provides an extra layer of security, preventing the hood from flying open unexpectedly. Once you locate the secondary safety latch, you'll typically need to push it to the side or lift it up. This action fully disengages the hood lock, allowing you to lift the hood completely open. Some models may require you to slide the latch to the left. With the hood open, locate the prop rod, which is usually attached to the underside of the hood. Carefully swing the prop rod into the designated slot in the engine bay. Ensure it's securely seated to keep the hood stable and safely open while you perform any checks or maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.